In previous class we talk about Moseley's periodic law, basically the modern periodic law, and now we talk about the long form of periodic table, which is basically given by the Bohrs. Okay, so the modern periodic law gave by Moseley and the table gave by Bohrs. Okay, I think the modern periodic table is also it is based on the law of Moseley's, not okay. Bohr also gives the Moseley's law. I think so. When the Bohrs gave the periodic table, the it recover the most of the problems of Mendeleev. So here is the long form of periodic table, which is Bohr's periodic table, and based on the Moseley's law. Okay, based on the Moseley's periodic law. Okay, so in the periodic law of Bohrs, there are some vertical lines. Okay, the vertical lines. Okay, these vertical lines are called group. These vertical lines are called group, and the group numbers are 18. Means suppose in MP, when understand the Bohr's periodic law, imagine that a field of students in assembly. Okay, the lines verticals are 18s, and suppose that this is the element are in assembly of schools of periodic table. Okay, so then in the assembly of schools, the all elements are placed in a row, vertical rows, which is an vertical rows in Hindi pankti. Okay, so in rows. So this is also the vertical columns. Sorry, my mistakenly called rows. The 18 columns. Okay, in school, suppose when assembly or students placed in a columns. Okay, and suppose all elements are also in columns, that is panktis. Okay, so number 1 student, number 2, and that's amazing. Okay, so groups are 18s, and the vertical lines are called groups, and which is the number of columns are 18, that is the number of groups are 18, or the name according to IUPAC. The name, the group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and last 18. Okay, so 18 here. So first group is called in IPSC or a Roman way also. First, second A, third B, fourth B, fifth B, sixth B, seventh B, and eighth B, which has 8th, 9th and 10th group, and 11th are 1B and 12th second B. Okay, 13 third A, 14 fourth A, 5th A, 6th A, 7th A, and 8th A, also called zero groups. Okay, this is the grouping of periodic table. So according to IPC, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or also we call use this. Okay, and now the first group. Okay, this is the first group and this is the second group, are called S block because of give Bohrs, so that's why he use SPTF subshells like S group, and group third B to second B means 1 and 2. This is 3 to 12 are D block or transition metals, and third A to 18A, 8th A, because I mean 13 to 18 P blocks. Okay, and here is a D block in inner transition series, which is called also F. So we talk about this. So in S block, this is okay. When we take together 1A, second A, and third A and 8th A, that is 13 and 18. This is main element. This is main element, and except 18 means the 1, 2 or 13 to 17 halogen. This is called representative element. Okay, this is represent element. Represent element, and 18 group, which 0 group, are called noble gas. Okay, and think that each, because of bohrs are placed in atoms in vertical lines, which means mostly law, each group has similar properties of element. Means all the students are placed in columns has same type of candies or flavors. Means all element has same properties, okay, which occurs in some gaps of intervals, okay, some intervals of atomic number. Okay, and each of the element which is placed in a group has same electronic configuration, valence electron configuration. That is the electron which is in valence shell. Okay, valence shell electron configuration. Okay, similar valence electron configuration and properties are similar. So they are 18th group. Okay, and now next video we learn in vertical columns, vertical periods or vertical columns.